back to my channel. Welcome to CYNTHIA ELEWUWA's TV. This is CYNTHIA ELEWUWA, and yes, this is my channel. So you want to know how I created this beautiful look? If you're asking yourself, oh my god, this is beautiful, oh this is so ugly, how did she create this look? Yes, just keep watching, okay? Stay glued, don't go nowhere. Just watch how I created this look step by step. All right guys, thank you so much, and I will see you over there. What I'm gonna do is to apply my primer. As you can see, it's already on my face, so I'm just gonna rub it in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. Anyway guys, moving on, I'm gonna be using my mod makeup designatory, whatever, makeup designatory. I'm gonna be using it to apply on my whole face, just like that, before applying my foundation, to give my face a more smooth look. Today I'm going to be using my Black Up Mattifying Fluid Foundation, the shade 08. So I'm going to be using it today, but I'm going to do my foundation and contour offline. Did I just say offline? Off camera, so that I will save us some time. Okay guys, next thing I'm going to do is to set my eyes for eyeshadow. So now I'm just I've already applied concealer on my eyes, and now I am just putting a powder just to set my eyes. Okay, now that is done, I'll be using Juvias Festival palette today. So now I'll be going in with this color, Zafar, and I'll start right here. That is a very rich pigmented color, very rich. So I'll just go up a little, and then I'll come to this side and I'll do the same thing. But the next shade we're gonna go in with is this one here, this orange shade called Ofala. So we're just gonna take a little of Ofala, and we're just gonna slightly blend out the Zafar. All these eyeshadows are very big, which is why when I dab in, I just blow it off, so it won't end up being too much. Now guys, the next shade I'm gonna go in with is Oro, and I'm just gonna go with it right on my brow bone, just like so. I'm gonna blend in. That is done. What the next thing we're gonna do is to use my ELEWUWA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to cut my crease, not just all the way, but just, you know, at the center, just to create that halo effect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyes. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with the halo effect using the concealer, I'm still gonna go back into the shade Zaffa, and I'm gonna just take a little and I'll build it right here just to, you know, remove the harshness of the halo effect. I'm also gonna come here on this side and repeat the same thing. Guys, for that halo effect, I'm gonna be using Iriji, this pink color here. First, I'm gonna spray my brush because I want it to be packed. So I'm gonna dig in from Iriji, the bright pink, this, and I'm just gonna go on it right like this. I'm experiencing fallout. I don't know if it's because I sprayed my brush before taking it. As you can see under here, and this patchy. I actually thought that this pink is gonna be like very sharp. I'm a bit disappointed right now. This isn't what I expected. Look at the fallout here. So guys, I've put that in, but I feel like it's patchy, you know. It's not smooth, and there was a lot of fallout under here from the pink shade. I'm a bit disappointed because this wasn't what I was hoping to see. But I'm gonna go back in the shade Zaffa, this red color, and I'm just gonna, you know, brush off any harsh lines. So guys, I don't know what's up with this pink shade, this Iriji. I'm really disappointed. If you can see very closely, you see that the pink side is very patchy. It's looking very patchy. I've been trying very hard to fill it up, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna go back to this orange shade of Fala, and I'm just gonna go right on top and up on my crease. Because of the patchiness of this pink, I'm just gonna go all over the white, which is woolly. Using my finger, I'm just gonna dab a little and just go on top of the pink, just like so. Using my NYX Cosmetics blue eyeliner, I'm just gonna go ahead and line my waterline. Using Zaffa, I'm also gonna go ahead and do my under eyes. So I'm just gonna join it from here. Using the shade of Fala and Iriji, I'm gonna go ahead and continue with my under eyes because I want the effect of both shades, so I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna use my NYX Cosmetics eyeliner, blue eyeliner, and I'm gonna line my lid. So guys, now I'll be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex for my lashes. Did I just say Too Faced Better Than Sex for my lashes without telling you it's a mascara? Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for my lashes. Oh my goodness, lashes, guys. Now that we have our lashes on and popping, this is just an extra look, extra like extra. Anyway, I'm gonna go in and bronze my face with my black up two-way cake. So I'm just gonna bronze my face using my lip liner. I'm just gonna go ahead and outline my lips. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty El Cinco de Mayo lipstick. Hold on. El Cinco de Mayo lipstick is a red shade lipstick. I'm gonna use it and go on top of the lip liner. Using my MAC lipstick in the shade Frost Bombshell. Is like a shimmery pink, so I'm gonna use it right on top of my lips, right here. This is from MAC, but I really don't know the name because it was a sample lipstick, you know. So I'm just gonna dab it on top. I'm not even sure this is the right thing I'm supposed to be using to apply this, but what the heck. Let's just go on and do it. Let's take the risk, right? Today's look is like extra. It's a very extra look, so please don't be mad if you don't like this kind of look, but it's an extra look and that's the mood I'm in today. Just one of the extra today, so just enjoy the look and ignore what you don't like. Okay guys, now using my Bob blush from Pharmacy, I'm just gonna go in and take a little. No, just put it here. Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna put it right here, guys, just right here. I'm using my black up highlighter, sublime powder, whatever. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with this, just put it right here. I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, so we are ready, and now I'm gonna finish up this look with my setting spray. A lot of people keep asking me, what does setting spray do? Now you use setting spray to set your makeup, lock in the makeup, make it stay. Okay, now I'm gonna finish up with my setting spray. So guys, we are done. How do you find this look? How do you like it? Yes, this is a bomb look. I know most of you will say it's too much, but the lips and the yes, I know. Normally a lot of people will go with just a nude lip or just a lip gloss because a lot of drama is happening. It's already happening here, but I just want to be extra today. This is how I feel today, and please, if you don't like it, please just overlook it, okay? For the sake of today, for my peace. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for your feedback on my last video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, share if you find this video interesting, or if you find any of our videos interesting, please like and share. And also let me know what you think about this look in the comment section below. Okay guys? Okay. Okay, all right, yeah, that will be all for today, and I'll see you on my next one. Okay. Oh, bye bye.